Welcome to 3D Changer, your custom car configurator. With 3D Changer, you have thousands of customization options at your fingertips. You can explore the car from any angle and tweak every detail to your liking. We offer 300 different cars to choose from, and while not all of them are pre-downloaded, getting your specific car is quick and easy. Once you select a car and start the download, it should be a fast process. After downloading, you'll need to close the editor and follow the instructions provided. Don't worry, just trust the process. You might not need to save your project right away, especially if you haven't started one yet. But it's essential to have your car ready. When you do, save. You can either begin a new project or return to your previous one. After you reopen 3D Changer, everything should pick up where you left off. Now, you'll see something new, the Quarry feature. Simply download it, and you're good to go. Head back to where you originally downloaded the car, and you'll find your selected vehicle ready to customize. The cars are blue by default, but don't let that discourage you. The possibilities are limitless. Endless customization. Possibilities. With 3D Changer, you can truly let your imagination run wild. You can customize individual parts of the vehicle, wheels, tints, interiors, and more. The combinations are endless. This tool lets you see your vision come to life before you spend any money. If you've made it this far, you're probably serious about creating a unique design, and trust us, you won't be disappointed. Check out the incredible detail. Notice how the light reflects off the paint or the wrap. Our designs are meant to capture your imagination and turn your dreams into reality. We're proud of our capabilities, and when it comes to achieving your vision, we have no limits. Bringing your blueprint to life. Like our website says, we work from your blueprint. Whether the design is in your head, on paper, or in the app, we'll make it happen. This configurator showcases one of our favorite cars, similar to our owner's vehicle. Yeah, he's a bit flashy. I told him to get a Ferrari, but he didn't listen. Just kidding. Personalize and make it yours. With 3D Changer, you can personalize your car in every way possible. From wheels to tints to interiors, we're here to make sure you get your dream vehicle. Even if the configurator doesn't show a specific option, we can still get it done for you. When you leave your vehicle with us, you'll get it back exactly how you want it, or maybe even better than you imagine. Recapture your imagination. This is your chance to recapture those childhood dreams. Don't just watch this tutorial. Jump in, design your personal car, and let us bring your vision to life. We're dream chasers, dream catchers, dream achievers, and dream believers. We take anything is possible seriously. So have fun, explore the endless options, and when you're ready, come drop off your car. We're here to make your dreams come true. Now go ahead and start creating.